If you press the I button, you are able to fill in some information about your tolerance analysis. That will also appear in the header of the protocols. The vertical toolbar provides several different protocols to view the results. One of the most useful is the practical value protocol. It has a characteristic layout. The header gives some information about what was calculated and who is the person in charge of it. The table below shows the tolerance stack and the tolerance parameters assigned for each stack element. The results are shown on the bottom of the protocol. First you get an expression of the nominal dimension of the critical characteristic. You will obtain the same value if you start a measurement with your CAD data. The graphic on the right-hand side is related to the results on the left. It contains a lot of important information we will explain to you next. The black-colored values are the results of the arithmetical tolerance analysis. You can see the minimum gap, the maximum gap, and the range TA. The orange-colored distribution is called density function. It describes the probability which total tolerance you have to expect. The area between the limits represents 100% of the assemblies. According to the defined quality goal, you get a statistical result. Analogous to the arithmetical results, you can see the red-colored statistical result. You also obtain the values of the minimum gap, the maximum gap, and the statistical range TS. For the quality goal in our case, these limits and the range are expected to be 99.9936%. For the next step, we assume specification limits for the critical criterion we have calculated exist. These specification limits shall be 2 mm for the maximum gap and 1 mm for the minimum gap. The defined specification is shown as green entry in the graphic. Now simTOL compares the analysis results to the specification limits and determines the estimated number of assemblies which will be within specification. Another important protocol is the Pareto Analysis. This protocol figures out the amount of contribution each stack element has on the results. Because every stack element influences the results in a different way, it is very helpful for optimization to know which elements are the main contributors. Another protocol is the Q catalog. It enables you to integrate a bitmap graphic in the simTOL protocol. You only have to move the mouse to the left side and press your right mouse button. A context menu will open and show you what to do. It is easily possible to print several protocols in just one step. You only have to open the print manager and select your intended protocols from the available ones. You are also able to change the appearance and print order. You start printing by pressing the icon in the toolbar at the top. In our example, we use a PDF printer. As you can see, every chosen protocol is printed in just one step.